Hello, YouTube world. How are you? Welcome to Passionately and Tree Darts and more with Tracy. I received a gift and I showed the unboxing of some treats that I received from TIEGSY. Well, one of them is mixed berry jam, and I wanted to let you know how it tastes. I don't know yet. My son has eaten all of this, so I thought I better check it out before it gets gone. So I'm going to spread some on a bagel and let you know. I'm sure it's delicious because it's almost gone. Okay, let's check it out. It looks absolutely scrumptious. Let me get my share of it. Mixed berries. So, Peagsy, you're going to have to tell me what's in here. I know blueberries and perhaps raspberries. I see seeds. But please let me know what the mixed berry combination is. All right, I think that's enough. That looks so good. Let's check it out. It is very good. It's sweet. It's sweet. And there's raspberry seeds, some type of seeds in here. They're small. They're edible. Very flavorful. I taste the blueberry. I don't know what else is in here. But please know that it is delicious. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, TZ. I'm talking with food in my mouth. Thanks for thinking of me. Happy New Year. Peace and blessings to you in the new year.